Hey guys, it's Destiny Lashae. Welcome back to another video. Okay, I am nervous because I am getting my first Brazilian wax today and I'm really scared. I've never gotten a wax in my life. Like, I've gotten my underarms waxed, my eyebrows, and like my mustache, but I've never got my waxed. I bought this Dermaplast spray. I heard about this on TikTok. I mean, I used this after I had kids because it helps like numb your area down there after you have kids because it hurts. So this is supposed to help numb you know, your area, your pick, your gina, whatever you want to call it. I feel like this did not work at all. I feel like it didn't help me at all. It made no difference. It still hurt. So keep watching. So hopefully it works. I mean, I have absolutely nothing to compare it to because I've never gotten a wax before down there. So I really don't know what it feels like. I just want to see on a scale from 1 to 10 if this hurts a lot or not. So I'll let you guys know. I mean, I can take a good amount of pain, but I don't like pain. You know what I mean? So we'll see. My friends never want to be in my videos, so
like this.
Here we are. All right, I'm gonna spray this. Wait. Let me see the smoke. Wait, I need to spray it like for real.
I did my lips and everything. It probably got in the wrong areas.
Okay. I'm trying to make sure it's real
I know.
numb.
I'm gonna use it a second time actually.
I'm trying to make sure it's real numb. Okay.
They say you can spray that like, yo, y'all is crazy.
Oh, you see a smoke. I'm nervous. So, are you supposed to shave before you come?
No.
Okay. But my hair grows fast.
Okay.
Look, let me see.
Yeah, good.
I mean,
Okay.
it's about the same as mine.
Really? That's how yours look? It's a month. Okay.
On my lips.
I came to her 6 weeks
Bushy.
ago with a year's worth of hair.
Oh, it would have been
don't
able to
shave.
braid it down my leg.
And with the hour wax, first time is little hurt. Every time is going 50% less.
Okay.
Even your growth, when you do 6 times, maybe your whole growth is gonna be 50% less. Don't worry.
She's putting powder on her.
Yeah, she's putting powder on right now.
We're gonna try just a little.
Okay.
You can handle it. Right?
Okay.
Then we can do it rest of the thing. If you think no, then we can stop it right away.
Okay.
Even your guys, I have a few clients, right? So it's a curly hair and this kind of type of skin. You can see the difference so quickly.
Oh, okay.
Your hair growth gonna be so much slow down.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, the fan might.
Oh, the fan? Holy.
Did that hurt that bad?
But you see,
And that's the worst part.
Wait.
and we are taking out lot of hair. It's
Yeah.
not just like little bit, right?
No. Woo! It's not too bad.
No, it's not bad. Trust me. After that, when after 5-6 times, people they are talking over the phone. It's just like nothing.
My eyes went to water.
Yeah, if you
I just want to
skin,
squeeze her.
can you hold your skin?
Oh,
tightly?
hold it? Okay.
Okay, let me do it. Just see how much we can get.
Oh, your skin looks a whole like lighter down
Really?
there. Yeah, like right
And
there.
everything she said is the truth. It's thinner, it hurt less the next time, and less the next time, and
Yeah.
less the next time.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah, because just think about it. Your plant, right? If you move every time your just roots, right? Is not provide good plants, right? Same thing when you move the roots every time, they are not just like provide the good hair. So every time then your roots is weaker, then it's not providing the good hair.
Oh my God. Okay, wait.
where's that one crown? This one.
Oh, Jesus.
See, just a little bit left. Just a little bit left.
Yep.
So do you do you do it around and then you do the lips? You do the lips last?
Yes.
And that's the thing, Destiny, you made it through this. Like, you good.
Sorry.
So that was the worst part?
Yeah.
The top? Yeah.
Just hold it right.
And this is the worst time.
Oh, no, just relax.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You are doing great. Yeah, you are doing good.
The fan must help. Because you know something burn you want to blow on.
Yeah.
If you're gonna be just relaxed,
Okay.
then your pores is not gonna be tighter, right? So
Oh, you
if
want it to be like, you want to be relaxed. So
relax,
Okay.
then your pores is little open, right? If you just like this, then your pores is squeeze, because first time you were having a big and strong roots, right? So first time only thing is hard because we have to take off from the roots, right? Sometimes when you go to other salons, they just
She want to cut so low. You know what? I think it's because your hair is long.
no.
Is it because it's long? Oh.
No.
But like,
First time is always hurt because I told you you have a hair there, right? So you never move. Your roots are so strong and big.
yeah.
It's hard to come out with the from the pores, right? But next time when you do, your roots is not gonna be that strong.
Oh!
Done.
The dermaplane don't work. It don't work.
Oh my God.
Hold up.
See,
Trying to
next
relax.
time when
Oh,
you're gonna
Jesus.
come after 1 month,
Yes.
is promise is not gonna do anything.
Okay. It will be less pain.
Oh, it's maybe
Maybe less hair, less everything.
Okay.
more than 50% less.
Okay.
Just only today. But done.
Oh,
Can you believe that? You're done. No, now your all hairs came out. Now it's a small, just cleaning.
Okay.
Don't did the butt hurt? Is that?
Yeah, see, it's not gonna
But
bite.
it's the hurt the
I'm just doing extra.
It looks really nice though.
It does?
Yes, it does.
It looks really nice. Yo, Destiny, I'm telling you.
It does.
Listen, y'all
See,
gonna
now you're gonna
next
get
one,
over it.
don't hurt
Yes,
Destiny.
I'm gonna-
I will pay for it
Okay.
because everything she's saying is true. It's gonna hurt less. You got less hair. It's gonna be thinner.
You are alive, right?
Okay, so final thoughts on getting a Brazilian wax. I probably won't be getting one done again. The reasoning for that is because I feel like it's way too painful and I don't have to go through that pain, because I used to nair before even getting waxed, and I never had any issues with the Brazilian sensitive nair. I'll put it right here. This is the one that I use and I love it. So number one is the pain. I feel like the pain the first time was like a 12 out of 10 because I had so much hair, and when she would pull the stick across my hair, it would literally grab the hair as if she was pulling it out one by one. And then when she ripped it off, I just felt like I blacked out. So that was intense. The second time hurt as well. I didn't have as much hair. I feel like my hair was a lot sparser, if that makes sense, but it still hurt a lot. I would say the pain was like an 8.5 out of 10. And I have a pretty high pain tolerance, I feel like. I do, because all my other friends, yeah, I feel like I have a pretty high pain tolerance compared to most people. So let's just put it like this. One time I slammed my finger in my car door, and I literally left it there and waited for my husband to come get me. I wasn't freaking out. I was kind of just standing there looking at my finger. I mean, it hurt, but what was I gonna do? Like, I wasn't gonna scream and cry. Like, the only time I really cried when I was in pain was when I gave birth. And I feel like I wanted to cry when I got a wax. Like, that's how bad it hurt. Childbirth, of course, is worse, but like Brazilian wax is this close to it, okay? So if you're looking to get a Brazilian wax, I'm just telling you right now, the pain is crazy. Like, I'm not trying to scare you or anything, but the pain is insane. And it's something that I wasn't really prepared for because I'm like, oh, everyone says it hurts. but like I wasn't ready. I really wasn't ready. But at the end of the day, I feel like I would probably still go back maybe like once a year if I was going on a trip. But then again, I probably wouldn't, just because after the first time I got like 2 large ingrown hairs on like the side of my vagina area, and I hate ingrown hairs, and I never got them when I used to nair. I feel like the lady that I went to did a great job. She's super nice. Like, I love her. She gives me facials. She does my eyebrows and everything. I really love her work. It's just that I don't think my body likes Brazilian waxing. And I kind of appreciate that, because I don't want to really go through that pain every 4 weeks if I don't have to. So I'm going to stick with my nair. I'm going to stay in my lane and continuously use my nair every 3 weeks, because my vagina was okay with that, and I'm just gonna stay in my lane. So 1, it was the pain, the reason why I won't get it done again. And number 2, for me, was the ingrown hairs. I feel like when she waxed me, my vagina was really clean. Like, I loved the way it looked. I loved how smooth it was at first, but the second time, I feel like, so right now I feel like I have like whiteheads all over, and I never got that before. I'm not sure why that is, because for the most part she got all of the hair. I don't know if I'm allergic to anything. I don't think I am, but I just feel like my vagina just doesn't like Brazilian waxing, and I'm okay with that. I'm really okay with that. So I'm just gonna stay over here in my house, use my nair, and call it a day. Oh, she also does my underarms, and they look so clean, and this does not hurt. Maybe because I'm used to it, but I really don't wax my underarms like that. My friend does it for me like once in a blue moon, but I mean, this I'll keep getting done, but my vagina, like, that's a whole nother thing. So and another thing, before all of you guys say in the comments like you should exfoliate, usually after 72 hours they tell you to exfoliate. I did that. I used glycolic acid, the liquid, the ordinary liquid, and didn't burn or anything, but I feel like I still got ingrown hair. So the first time I exfoliated after 72 hours, this time I did not exfoliate at all to see if I would get whiteheads or ingrown hairs, and I still got them. So I just think my vagina doesn't like it. Try it out, you know, see if you like it. If you don't like it, tell them to stop and never go back. I feel like you gotta be a G to get a Brazilian wax, and like the way these girls talk about getting waxed like it's nothing. Oh, I'm going to my wax appointment. Like, even my friends, I'm like, y'all make that seem like light work, and it's really not. Like, y'all some G's out here, like, for real. That basically sums it up. I'm good on the Brazilian waxing. The lady did a beautiful job, but it's just not for me. I'm still gonna go back to her and get my underarms done, my facials, and my eyebrow threading, but my vagina, off limits. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.